Press the bell icon on our YouTube app and never miss another video from Spotboy.
We are just few days away and here are the 4 firebrand ladies of Veer the Wedding. Welcome to Spotboy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
I am not going to say it's chick flick, feminism. I am going to call it, from whatever I've seen, celebrating life, saying what is right, doing what is right, and pushing aside what is wrong. What do you say to that? Am I right or wrong?
Who's answering the question?
For all of you.
Karina ji is answering this question.
Karina.
Yeah, Karina, why not
I
you?
think that it's absolutely right. I'm happy that you've said that it's celebrating life and love, and like I said, that I think it could be for boys also in this film, not
Yeah.
necessarily for girls.
Yeah.
But this is the story of 4 girls. So why should we, like, you know, kind of say that it's a chick flick or it's this or it's that, it's only about fashion or it's only about this. It's not. It's a story, and it has 4 actors in it, and the 4 actors happen to be women.
Sonam?
I agree with what she's saying. I think it's important to kind of understand that a film is a film and it is entertaining, and it just happens to be that the characters are cast female.
So why do you think it has taken so long? Coming to the next question straight to you. Why has it taken so long for our country to come to a film like this where 4 girls are just doing what they are, I mean, in the face?
Well, I think that because perhaps for a long time it was men, like largely male writers writing films for male directors, being produced largely by male producers. And I think that that's changing. I mean, of course, there have always been women in the film industry in very key roles, as Karina was saying the other day. But I think that in terms of who holds the reins, like who's in power to call the shots, I think that women have, in the last 10-15 years, really entered that space. Of course, Ekta is one of the biggest ones, and she's the one who's working on this film. Riya, to me, is a big reason why this film is being made. This film is really Riya Kapoor's vision. It's her baby. And I think I would really, I don't know, I'm not saying this in a bad way, but I think that it's also a question of imagination. I think that somehow for 105 years, as a society, as a film watching society, filmmaking society, we just haven't been able to tell a story about, in mainstream commercial Bollywood, indie space has had in the last year films like Angry Indian Goddesses, but a film that is, I'm saying this within quotes, women-centric, but not about some great violence, some anyay, rape, molestation, just about women having fun and being friends without falling in love with the same guy. You've seen a lot of female friendships on screen, but they've always been in the context of एक दोस्त को, you know, दूसरे से उस same वाले आदमी से प्यार हो गया and all that. So I think that you know, it's all those reasons, and I think it's great. I think it's such a sign of how rapidly Bollywood is changing, and yay.
For all of you, how much is the character which you are playing just you? और कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ी, if not you?
Well, I had to play a mother to a 1-year-old, and I'm not married. I don't have a baby, so
Yeah.
that was fun to work on for sure, and to work with, to collaborate with such fantastic people on set, like not just the 3 of them, but everybody else, the director Shashank and everyone involved. I thought it was just absolutely fabulous, and your characters just breathe a different life when you're collaborating with such wonderful people.
Sonam?
The character is not similar to me at all. उसकी शादी नहीं हो रही है, मेरी अभी भी शादी हुई है. But there is a certain, like, she's a bit of a perfectionist. I think I am too. I'm a little slightly conservative and shy, and I think she is as well. But otherwise, there are not many similarities at all.
You're not conservative.
I'm progressive in the way I am, but not in the.
No.
No, I'm not conservative. Okay. No, it's just my sister said that I'm a little, you know, I'm very like OCD. Like I like things very clean. I like things very neat. I like things in a certain way. I'm very black and white in the way I think, and I think Avni is as well. So in that context, yes. I mean, not conservative in my thought process, but in the way I think about things, you know.
Karina, you? had you to get into it, or was it just you? Kalindi is you?
No, not really. In fact, I think that Kalindi is quite, I don't know, she has her reasons why she's commitment phobic, but I'm completely a sucker for love. And like, I mean, yeah, I was dying to get married, so Kalindi's not. So
You were
it's
dying to
different.
get married.
Yeah, I wanted to get married.
Was it in real life?
What?
At one point?
Yeah, of course. I think so. I think I was one of the first actresses to actually take the plunge when everybody was like, don't do it, your career will be over.
Yeah.
I was like, tail lene gaya.
Yeah.
It's fine, I want to get married. I want to marry the man I love. Na? I don't know if I'm ever going to find that man again.
Sonam, you? Can you add on that?
What do you want me to
Were
say?
you also very keen to what she's saying?
I mean, I wasn't like keen to get married in general with the idea, but once I met the guy I was supposed to get married to, I suppose, I was like, okay, fine, I'll get married because it's the right thing to do at that point.
So I happened to talk to Ekta and she said, you are playing her. It's like
Oh no, really?
she's what you are in the
Well,
film.
then this is something new that we've learned about Ekta.
Tell me about your character. What have you done exactly?
I
which
mean,
goes
my
so close?
character has been like totally out of my depth, I think. Her logic is different from what everyone else is, but she tries to kind of take care of her friends in her own way. So she's, in that sense, she's quite endearing also. And of course, the look was one big saga for me because ये ऐसे fancy कपड़े तो मैंने कभी नहीं पहने. And Ria was very like, you got to lose weight and you have to like, you know, like look glamorous. And so yeah, it was one like, yeah, one बैलगाड़ी was लगाओ धक्का and made into a car.
Although Shashank didn't want you to lose weight.
Shashank first started off and said कि यार lose weight and then by the end he was like it's okay actually साक्षी ऐसी है. So I was like ये तो फिर एक साल पहले बताना चाहिए था ना. अभी तक मैं 36 डाइट ट्राई कर चुकी हूँ.
I think he just let you be.
So yeah.
So tell me, when you all are with your friends and when you all were in your college days and growing up years, how much of it reminds you? Were you all the same? Were your friends the same? The way you speak in the film, the way you do things in the film? Karina? Sonam?
I think most friends together have that, you know, there's always one person in a certain way in a group,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, always.
Yeah.
And one person who's always keeping it together.
Yeah, one person who keeps it together, one person who's wild, one person who's, you know, there's always like there's a certain dynamic in each group, and I think that's why. But it keeps them together. I mean, I have 4 friends who we've always been friends, and it's amazing.
It's a very relatable dynamic
Yeah.
between the 4 of them.
For my girlfriends.
4 girlfriends. हमारे बजट थोड़े कम होते थे.
It's the best thing in the world.
उसके अलावा same dynamic.
Yeah, we didn't have a Sakshi.
We didn't have a Sakshi.
So while most men will not admit it, but the trailer has traumatized a large section of them. The language, the dialogues. Now tell us, why are these double standards in India? Which they
men?
are.
Besides 4 people in the media, who else has been traumatized by? Because I don't
But
know.
traumatized, why?
Why?
No, I mean, you know, you get this feeling, okay, fine, they're doing like this. But the same if the men were doing it, what I'm saying. It, as Swara had rightly pointed out, you know, in Gangs of Wasseypur, if somebody is abusing or getting away with it. But
It's like
here
it
it will
doesn't
be,
sound
oh,
nice
isne
on
aisa
the
kiya.
sound.
You know, why do we have these, we have these double standards. We have double standards, okay, your daughter need not come late at night, but your son can. There are so many things. Do they bother you? Have you?
We've not grown up with that
Yeah.
with our parents. You know, our parents have never treated us any different from our brothers or men in general. I think we're very strong, independent women. So when anybody reacts like that, a man or a woman, it's surprising to us that, you know, there are these, I wouldn't call it double standards, but I would call it conservative, you know, non-progressive.
A narrow world.
Yeah, narrow worldview, and that hopefully will change in time. And, you know, hopefully films like this and education and awareness and less ignorance will help it.
And they don't seem to hang out with any women of, you know, urban
Yeah,
working
but
women who
I'm
have
sure
their own
it
lives.
changes, you know,
it
it's
seems.
yeah, it'll change.
I mean,
hopefully.
it's yeah, I really think that it's a, you know, किसी का मुंह तोड़ने से तो better है ना कि एक छोटी सी गाली देके अपना frustration निकाल दो. So I think that in the larger context, personally, I don't think swearing is such a bad thing if you're not doing it to an elder person, if you're not
Correct.
doing it to, you know, in a public, while
Correct.
holding public office. You know, don't do it while you're campaigning for elections, maybe. But in the privacy of your friends, it's okay. It's your private lives, and films aim to capture that. It's not the job of a story to show the path of morality and good righteous behavior. It's the job of a story to seem original and to be relatable, as they said. And I think that's what our film does. So I really don't understand what the problem is. I think it's also that people are a little shocked to see Kareena and Sonam and actresses like them
Going out
who
there.
are these A-list big stars
Yeah.
and who've had a career and so much goodwill in the audience, and people see them as, oh, these like good girls. Not good girls in that sense, but you know, nice women, nice, and their characters have always been these, you know, girls that you can bring home to your family. And then to hear them swear, it's like, oh my God, like, you know, how can Kareena Kapoor be saying this? I think there's a little bit of that also. Because I did a film called Anarkali of Ara last year, and she's horrible foul-mouthed, but nobody cared because Anarkali is a nachne wali. So you expect that from her. But from four girls who seem so familiar to us and relatable, I think that threatens people's morality and mindset a little bit.
Do you think still we are able to, you know, take that girls are living life on their own terms, and which is so good, but is India taking that? Is India still?
I mean,
Yeah,
I think
so.
the four of us
Absolutely.
are. I think no one more than
You
Kareena
sure?
and Sonam are
I
actually.
think some of the most powerful people in our country are women, whether
Yeah.
it's in politics, whether it's in film production, whether it's anywhere. And I think we need to just understand that once we stop making it such a big deal, it'll stop being such a big deal.
How do you tackle trolls? You say it there as it is.
Kareena decides she
Swara-
doesn't want to be on social media only.
Yeah, but Swara comes in her defense and very often. And Swara?
I mean, for that particular thing, actually, I felt responsible because I
It
thought
was
that
great.
I brought
It was
that
great.
on her.
It was great.
So I felt kind of bad.
But
I'm
before
sorry
that
about
also-
that, Kareena.
But before that
I
also
just-
you've taken up for Kareena.
Yeah,
on
but like
many
I think
occasions.
that trolls. I mean, I just feel that trolls are the worst form of human scum because
Yeah.
you are showing your basest selves and hiding behind anonymity
Correct.
and taking pot shots at people that you would never be able to see in your life otherwise, even.
But they're
Correct.
So
inconsequential.
it's that power itself is coming from a really, you know, sad place,
Yeah.
and it also seems to me that a lot of them need jobs.
Yeah,
So
it's like they're inconsequential and irrelevant.
I think they
is-
should be called out as much as you can.
It
No,
is sadism.
I think
I think just ignore them.
ignore, yeah. When you ignore, when you pretend that they don't exist, they will cease to exist.
No, but it's
because
not
they don't
them only,
exist.
Sonam. It's all the other people on Twitter. Like, I really feel that, I mean, for me, when I see people supporting me, like, or, you know, like standing up for me, I really feel good because hum jitna bhi bol le, no, you're a human being, right? You feel bad. Like, unless you don't look at it, which is fine. Like, you don't never open Twitter. But if you happen to see it, you feel like, what is this? Like, you know, I mean, I
But
don't
if
know.
you give your opinion,
Then you
are
get
you
it.
not asking for like, you know, maybe people to say something? Because since
Yeah.
it's a public platform.
But
No,
not
I just want to know
galis and all.
because since.
But not rape threats and all, no?
Yeah, that
Like
is
that,
wrong. But I'm
I'm
saying
going-
that if
That's
it
terrible.
is a public platform, I
Yeah.
feel that one has to brace themselves up.
Bebo,
Yeah.
constructive criticism is always welcome. But what she
Yeah, but now the kind of people that are there, you know, on this kind of
sadists
platform
are there.
is like, who knows? I mean, anything can probably happen. But I just, yeah, so I don't know, I guess, I mean, I keep discussing it, so I'm the wrong person to ask.
Which is that one thing which you want to change immediately, you know,
Ask her.
which is
Shiku, what is the
as a girl, as a woman, which you want to change for every female.
What would I like to change?
Yes. Which you are really irritated about,
What I'm really irritated about.
whether it's industry or whether it's otherwise.
You know, I actually focus on all the good things and not so many negative things. And there's actually a long list, but why? Why even get into it? It'll change, Aram.
Kareena, you.
Promotions. I feel that we should have, no, I seriously feel that we should have confidence in our product.
Yeah.
And
It's
I'm
increased
very
too much from
confident
where
of
you
this
started.
film. Yeah. So, I mean, I think that look at the unanimous love for this promo. I mean, I'm 100% sure people have already made up their mind. They are going for Veere Di Wedding, no matter what.
It's there.
Listen.
Hashtag get ready for Veere Di Wedding.
It is. They are ready. They are waiting.
Yeah, people are waiting.
They are waiting. I know it, and I think that's the confidence that I always want to have in you know, a movie.
Sura, you? One angst.
No, I think I have too many.
Just
I
one.
have like my Twitter timeline is full of angst. So,
But one.
I think I need to change some things about myself, like coming on time. I want to start with punctuality, changing that about myself.
Sonam, parting shot.
Parting shot of
What you want to?
change in
Yeah,
the world.
there's one thing which is.
I would like world peace.
Love and world peace.
Love and world peace.
Sonam used to have a
I
love and
thought someone
peace.
will say that
The
you know
Miss World crown.
it's time that heroines are paid as much as heroes.
That
But how
time will
do we
also
know?
come.
Who gets paid what?
Yeah, I think that in some films it's not
One
like
will
that.
never know.
Yeah. I think
No,
that is
obviously
happening
there is pay
already.
disparity, but I think it's changing because I refuse to work in a film where I'm not paid what I deserve.
Sonam has spoken.
I've spoken.
Super.
World peace.
Super. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for being on
Thank you.
Spot Boy. It was great talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.